Hello and welcome. This video will show you how to install Zotero for free on your computer and get it ready to collect references for your research project. If at any time you need more help, make an appointment with a librarian, call, email, or chat with us. You can also visit us in person at the reference desk. Zotero is a free, open-source reference management software originally developed at George Mason University. Zotero collects and manages your citations and linked research materials such as PDFs. You can gather stuff from multiple library databases and search engines and create Zotero collections to store your sources in one place. You can tell Zotero to create AMA citations and put them into a Word document or bibliography. To get Zotero, first navigate to zotero.org. Press the Download button to begin. Next, install both the Zotero program on the left and the Zotero connector on the right for your preferred browser. Zotero works with Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. Optionally, go to Zotero Web and create an account so you can log in from anywhere. That way you can sync your collection from multiple computers. Next, customize Zotero to WKU Libraries to make it work much better. To do this, search for WKU Zotero, find full text. Follow the instructions to put in a custom URL pointing to WKU Libraries. Now let's make sure that Zotero is up and running. Go to a web page and hover your mouse over the icon at the top right. You should see Save to Zotero. When you click this link, Zotero will sense what is displayed on the screen and attempt to categorize it and add it to your active library or collection. Now we are ready to start collecting resources.